All right, where are we going, son? Where are we going? You go for a walk? Okay. Now we just gotta wait for Mom. And here's my tire on the wagon. I never thought I'd ever have to do this, but you do what you have to do. At least you got your own wheels here. You got all 4 tires. This one here, was punctured somewhere. I saw it. It was punctured. Where was that? It was punctured with a knife. Oh, right here. You can see right there. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but yeah, that's where the knife wound is. But luckily, finally got a little bit of money, so I'm gonna go get this tire fixed. And my new parking spot is back here. Okay, I'll wait for you. Yeah, we finally made our turn. How are you, babies? Yeah. Woo. It's very slick out today. I'm not slipping, but I think I grips my shoes a little bit. Ugh. My tire. There you go, smart way. All right, here we go. Crossing over to the block. Other block. Not crossing over, but I'm crossing from that block to this block. Finally made it past Flamingo. Next block, that's our destination on the other side of that building. Okay, we are crossing the other intersection here. We're moving to the third block here. So, and then this is, oh shit, woo, almost slipped. But, here we go, pretty close. All right, we finally made it. Now we're going, you gotta cut through here and to the tire shop. Woo. All right, here we are. Finally made it to Fountain Tire. Wasn't that far, just 2 blocks away. They told me it's not gonna take too long to get it fixed. That's, I hope so. They made it, baby. Yeah, yeah, right there you can see it. A puncture. Somebody stabbed my tire, right? Somewhere around here.
Okay.
Yeah, that tire was stabbed. It's a good thing it wasn't me.
Yeah. Okay, I'll see. So you're looking for a new one or a used one then?
Used one. Used one. That's all I can get right now.
Okay, I'll have to see that one.
Okay. We made it, baby. We made it. Now we gotta walk back. But we'll stay here and warm up, okay? All right. Come, let's go inside. Yeah. A little bit, just my hand. So I don't have a glove on this side, eh? It's doing recording. Yeah, look. Check if there's any donuts in it. Some donuts. Yeah, give one to babies. Have one, babies. Yeah. Eat it, babies. Baby's car come for a little repair too. What's that? Ah, yeah, lots of tires. Nice. That's good.